Welcome guys, today's video is about how you can refresh or you can just delete your home feed history on Pinterest. Now I'll teach you guys how to do that, but before that, go down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our other videos. Now let us start. First, what you will have to do is just open up your Pinterest, go to your profile section right there and tap on your icon. Now after you do that, what you can do is you can just see under the settings third option, home feed tuner. Tap on home feed tuner and there you can see options like this. Now you can see all the pins that are inspired by the pins, and you'll just keep on getting things like this. So what you will have to do is just select these, all these pins right here, and you won't be seeing pins like this again. Now you can select as much as you like. There are lots and lots, as you can see right there, from years and years of your pin searches. And after that, you can even go to your interests and just reshuffle these. Let me do that. Now as you can see right here, I've removed most of these options right here. My interests, now I'm just gonna add new interests like these, and birds, the Joker illustration, beards, because why not, Deadpool because Wolverine. Now go to the boards and you can even hide the boards like this, or you can just unhide them, and you can even change your following. Now after you've done that, and after a few more searches and few more feeds and few more data collections, your feed will get replaced. It's not gonna be ASAP, like by a snap of a finger, but you know how to do it now and you get the idea. That is how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.